Here is my 1980 Charger bass boat that is set up with a Mercury 90 horsepower tower of power. This is a test run and sea trial that we performed on August 2nd, 2026. I picked up this 1980 Charger 747 XLV with its perfectly matched 90 horsepower Mercury two-stroke engine locally here on Long Island. Originally was from Wisconsin, only used in fresh water, with a brief stay in Florida, but apparently it wasn't really used much in Florida. The Charger 747 XLV is a 17-foot boat with a beam of 6 feet 2 inches and weighs approximately 800 pounds without the engine. So you figure it's about 1250 with the inline six and some modest gear. The boat sits level in the water with approximately 12 gallons of premixed fuel that I loaded on, and the fuel tank is built in that holds probably 20 to 24 gallons. The gas gauge is functional and appears to be accurate. I normally run 93 octane fuel in my two-stroke engines with a 50-to-1 mix of oil, and then I throw in a little bit of marine stabilizer just in case the alcohol starts to eat up the fuel lines and carburetors. I removed the front seat, so it's currently set up with 3 seats across the back, but it does have additional seating in the middle and on a casting platform that works on a pedestal. As clean as this engine is, it has the typical old Mercury wiring issues. It appears that the fuel lines had been previously replaced, so I installed a new CDI internal harness and a jet unit stator. This is a distributor engine, so I will be posting a YouTube video on how I replace the stator in a future video.
So this could be one of the cleanest inline sixes I have ever had. Well, this is probably a 1979 or 80, 90 horsepower. It's got a distributor. So what I've done is I tested the rectifier. That works. Replaced the stator wire and sleeves because of the stator with a jet unit. There's the wiring coming down. It's got a new CDI internal harness. But look at how clean this power head is. This thing is awful. It's got a water pressure gauge. When we come around to the other side, you could almost eat off this engine.
This boat rides like a larger boat. The whole design handles the bait chop, and the boat wakes exceptionally well. With the 90 horsepower Mercury engine, it has a wide open throttle at 5,000 RPMs at 45 miles per hour. Here we are cruising at around 4,000 RPMs and maintaining a constant 30 miles per hour. I hope you've enjoyed watching this brief video. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.